guys, happy Saturday. I haven't vlogged at all. It's lunchtime, but I just made an egg quesadilla. I don't really know how it turned out, but it's literally just egg whites and spinach on tortilla, and I have salsa and fruit on the side. What'd you have?
I had tacos, Reese's.
Reese's on the side.
And a White Claw. My favorite.
Good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning. It's almost 11 o'clock. I just kind of got up, hung out, had breakfast. I just showered and self-tanned, and now I think I'm gonna jump on a FaceTime with my grandmother and my cousins. And I'm also gonna start planning out this week's podcast episode because I think I want to do like a self-care theme. And I just had like some ideas while I was in the shower, and I need to write them down. So I'm going to grab my little notebook and start writing things. All right, so I just finished my call with my grandparents and my cousin and Francesca, and I'm gonna go sit outside and drink a little seltzer, read my book in our new little chairs because it's so sunny and nice out, and I just want to get outside. So I'm gonna go do that for I don't know how long, probably till I get hungry for lunch because it's like 12 now, so I'll probably have lunch at like 1-ish. Hi guys, so I just finished recording my podcast episode this week. I don't know, I just felt like inspired to record it right now. I was gonna record it tomorrow, but it's done. I just wanted to get it done, so I did. It's 1:15 right now, so I'm probably gonna have lunch here in a second. And then maybe I'll edit this tomorrow. But yeah, I just got that done. I read for a little bit, but it was kind of cold and windy outside, and honestly, I think reading for me is really just a nighttime activity because it makes me tired. So I read like a few pages and then came back at lunch. I made a little acai bowl with my last acai packet that I have. I just did acai, frozen banana, and almond milk, and then on top I did granola, peanut butter. I had frozen strawberries and blueberries and half a banana. Hi guys, so I feel like this weekend vlog is literally all over the place because like yesterday I wasn't gonna vlog, but then I vlogged me. Didn't I vlog me doing something yesterday? And then I didn't really vlog anymore, and then I kind of vlogged today, but not really. So right now I'm gonna go over to my parents' house and get some flour because we don't have any flour, and we bought pizza dough, but like you need the flour to like roll it out, you know? And I don't wanna go back to the store because we're trying not to go to the store, so I'm gonna go borrow some of their flour. And I just wanted to let you know that. Also, it's really nice out, but every time I go outside, granted I'm literally just wearing a sweatshirt and shorts, so that's probably why, but every time I go outside it's like really windy and like cold. So but I have spent a little bit of time outside, and I've just kind of been cleaning and not really doing anything else. So I'm gonna go get some flour, come back here, get the vlog up, and that's about it. So just wanted to update you. We're gonna have pizza tonight, which is why I went over to get the flour from my parents' house. So we bought like the pre-made dough at the grocery store, and I just put it in this bowl, covered it, because it said to leave it at room temperature for 30 minutes. I've never done it with this kind of dough before. So I'm just gonna leave that in there for 30 minutes, and I'm gonna go rinse my tan off because I put it on at like 10:30, 30, 12, 31, 32, 33, 34, 30. So it's been on for like 6.5 hours. But it's like the express kind, so I'm just gonna go rinse it off because I think Dylan and I are gonna watch a movie tonight, so I don't want to like have to worry about doing that later. And I just have time right now, so I'm gonna go do that, and then I will start making the pizza. I also was realizing that we don't really have anything to put on the pizza except like cheese and pepperoni, and I don't put cheese on my pizza, so I guess I'm just having sauce and pepperoni. Not the most nutritious, but because what I was planning on doing was like getting the veggies to put on the pizza later this week, but then we saw the dough and we were like, oh, let's get it. So whatever. Okay guys, I just washed my hands, and now I'm gonna try figure out how to do this. And my pizza pan. And then I got flour from my parents' house. I just put it in a cup in a bag. And then I need to, here, does that work? Kind of. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna put the flour. Oh, you still like can't really see me. What if I move it back a little bit? There we go. All right, so I have my dough in a bowl. And then I'm just gonna get some flour on my hands so that I can pull it out, I guess, right? I don't know. For everyone that's watching that's seen this before, they're like, who are you? What are you? I guess I should put some on the pan. And then just start like kneading it, maybe? I don't know. Matt do this all the time when they make us pizza. And I just never really paid attention. So I guess I'm just gonna go like this because I've seen this in the movies. Make it a little wide. Oh, it smells so good. Wish we had salad. Pizza on a salad, yum. All right, I'm just gonna put it down and like try to make it expand a little more, right? Oh, I would love a flatbread pizza right now. I wish we had gotten like legit toppings to put on this. Like a barbecue chicken pizza sounds delish right now. But we're gonna have this instead. So I think you're supposed to cook the crust for like a few minutes before you put the toppings on. I don't think I'm gonna do that. So. Alright, I have just like store brand sauce, which is actually pretty good. And then some pepperonis, some cheese, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of oregano. Whoa. Alright. Oregano, am I right? I'm gonna put a little bit of oregano and crushed red pepper on it to give a little flavor. It's like my own little cooking show. How fun. So, actually I have basil. Yum, that's so good. Actually, I might cut up some tomato for mine. Or my half, I guess. So then they're gonna share it. Okay, so I added a little bit of onion and tomato just because that's what we have. I wish we had like peppers or something, but we don't. So I'm gonna put this in the oven once it's preheated, and then that'll be dinner tonight. Guys, the timer just went off. I just put it in for like 10 minutes just to see what would happen. Guys, look at the pizza. What happened? Do you see that? I don't know if I should take it out. I guess I should. I'll take it out. Hold on. Oh my gosh, bro. What happened? Okay, Google. What time is it? Oh my gosh, bro. What happened? Okay, Google, what time is it? Okay, stop. There's like juices in the middle because of the tomatoes, I think. You can't even tell what part's not cheese anymore. Oh my gosh, guys. What is this? It's like so high. Look at that huge bubble. It's so tall. Okay, it's kind of small, but like really thick. I don't know how this is gonna, I mean, I love crust like this, so I'm down. But wow, I did not expect it. So we had dinner and it was really good. Now we're just gonna watch, or we have already started, Homecoming by Beyonce. And so far it's really good, but we're just gonna do that for the rest of the night. So hope you enjoyed this random weekend vlog and see you tomorrow.
See you guys.
Bye.